Welcome to Path of Life, your space for calm, clarity, and self-discovery. I'm here to help you transition into a deep and peaceful sleep. As you lie down comfortably in your bed, know that this time is for you, to relax, to release, and to restore. There's no need to hold on to the day's events or worries right now. Let everything fade into the background. Focus instead on the comfort of your body, the rhythm of your breath, and the stillness of this moment. Body relaxation and breathing. Let's begin with a few deep breaths. Inhale slowly through your nose, feeling your lungs expand. Hold for a moment and exhale gently through your mouth, letting go of any tension. Let's repeat this a few times. Inhale deeply, hold, and exhale slowly. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more and more relaxed. Now, let's guide this relaxation through your entire body. Start at the top of your head. Bring your awareness to your scalp and imagine a warm, soothing wave of relaxation flowing over it. This wave begins to release any tension in your forehead, softening your eyes, your cheeks, and your jaw. Allow your jaw to hang slightly open if it feels comfortable, letting go of any tightness. Feel this wave move down your neck and shoulders, washing away any stress. Let your shoulders drop, becoming heavy and at ease. Feel this relaxation traveling down your arms, through your elbows, wrists, and into your hands. Let your fingers relax completely. Now, bring your focus to your chest and abdomen. Notice how they rise and fall with each gentle breath. Imagine this wave of relaxation filling your chest and easing any tension in your heart space. Let it flow down your back, softening every muscle along the way. Feel this relaxation move down to your hips and pelvis, releasing any tightness or discomfort. Let it flow through your thighs, knees and legs, down to your calves and ankles. Finally, let the wave of relaxation settle into your feet and toes. Your entire body is now deeply relaxed, heavy, and fully supported by your bed. Extended visualization for sleep. Now, let's take a journey to a place of perfect peace. Imagine yourself standing on a warm sandy beach under a blanket of stars. The air is cool and refreshing, carrying the soothing sound of gentle waves rolling onto the shore. The sand beneath your feet is soft and comforting. As you walk along the beach, feel the gentle breeze brushing against your skin. Each step you take feels lighter, as if the sand is carrying you forward. Ahead, you see a cozy hammock strung between two tall palm trees, gently swaying in the breeze. You walk toward it and climb in, letting it cradle you. The hammock feels like a soft cocoon, supporting you completely. You look up at the night sky, where the stars shine brightly, twinkling like tiny beacons of calm. With every breath, feel yourself sinking deeper into the hammock. Imagine the stars above, sending down beams of peaceful light, filling your body with serenity and warmth. Now, picture yourself drifting even further into this dreamlike state. The hammock begins to gently sway, carrying you through the stars. You float through a peaceful night sky, surrounded by soft clouds and soothing light. Each star you pass represents a moment of calm, a sense of joy, or a dream waiting to unfold. Feel yourself moving closer to a state of pure tranquility. The night sky holds you, safe and serene. Positive affirmations for deep sleep. As you rest in this peaceful space, let these affirmations guide you into an even deeper state of relaxation. Repeat them silently, or just allow the words to settle in your mind. I am safe. I am at peace. I am worthy of rest. My body and mind are ready for deep restorative sleep. I release all worries and welcome calmness. Let these affirmations flow through you, filling you with comfort and ease. Extended breathing and soothing guidance. Let's return to your breath now. Breathe in deeply for a count of 4. Hold for 4. And exhale slowly for 6. Let's do this together a few times. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. And relax. Each breath takes you deeper into rest. Each exhale releases more tension. Now, simply allow your breath to find its natural rhythm. There's nothing you need to do, nothing you need to focus on. Just let yourself drift. Quiet transition into sleep. As the music continues to play softly in the background, allow your thoughts to fade, like clouds passing across the sky. There's no need to hold on to them. Let them drift away. Feel your body becoming heavier, more relaxed with each passing moment. The comfort of your bed, the gentle rhythm of your breath, and the stillness of the night are all working together to guide you into a deep and restful sleep. You are safe, you are loved, and you are ready to surrender to the peaceful rest you deserve.